So today I'll be showing you how to enter the boot menu of your Dell laptop. Now I'm using this 7410 Latitude for this tutorial, but this works on all Dell laptops. So what you want to do is turn on the laptop, and as the laptop is turning on, you will see a Dell logo. So you want to put your finger over F12, and as soon as you see the Dell logo, just press the F12 button, just like that, okay? You don't even need to do it twice, just once. Maybe for some older Dell laptops, you need to do it more than once. But as soon as you press the F12 button, it takes you straight into the boot menu. And if you're trying to boot from a USB drive or something else, like for instance this one, you can just go ahead and do that, okay? So that's it. That's basically how to boot your Dell laptop into the boot menu. To exit the boot menu, I'll just scroll all the way down and select exit boot menu and continue into Windows operating system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, also do not hesitate to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.